Hi, in this video we'll be covering the plural forms of the verb avoir in the present tense. Let's start with the following phrase. Avoir du pain sur la planche. The literal translation would be to have bread on the board. However, what's the real meaning of that phrase? We'll give the answer at the end of the video. Let's begin. Nous avons. Nous avons. We have. So notice here, we have to make the connection between nous and avons. We can't say nous avons, we have to say nous avons. For example, nous avons une idée. Nous avons une idée. We have an idea. Vous avez. Vous avez. You have. For example, vous avez du temps. Vous avez du temps. You have time. Ils, elles ont. Ils ont, elles ont. They have. Let's take an example. Ils ont une maison. Elles ont une maison. They have a house. Okay, let's summarize. Nous avons, vous avez, ils, elles ont. Ils ont, elles ont. That's it for the verb avoir in the present tense. Alright, time to reveal the meaning of this informal sentence. Avoir du pain sur la planche can be translated as to have some work to do. Thanks for watching. See you soon.